What's going on, everybody? This is Vegas Truth. Just wanted to make a video regarding something that has really caught my attention over the past few months looking at this investigation. Any larger channel that looks at body cam, or anybody that studies the body cam that we have from the LVMPD will know and will tell you personally that there's things in there that don't make sense, and there's things that need to be explained. A year and a half later, there's still things that just don't make sense from those body cam. And we have two channels on YouTube that upload that from the LVMPD, and that's WEGOG and Las Vegas Shooting Archive. And I wanted to thank both of you, because without you I wouldn't have a channel. Without you, we wouldn't have a lot of the information we have. So there's that. What I wanted to show you was the supposed gunfire at Bellagio Hotel, and I can't prove this is gunfire, but you know, I have my own beliefs, and I think I'm entitled to that after what I'm about to show you. So this is WEGOG's video. This is batch 28 from the LVMPD. This is video 688. And please forgive me, I don't know where these officers are located, but I do know that this particular officer is in the back of a police cruiser, and he has the back door open. And you can hear on the radio, there's a radio call from dispatch saying that there's a 415A at Bellagio. And about 2 or 3 seconds after that call, you hear what sounds like burst gunfire, kind of almost like an M16. And I just want you to hear these officers' reaction. There's a whole team in this vehicle, and I want you to hear what they say.
What? Oh shit!
So this whole team in the police cruiser, I'm assuming it's a cruiser, they yell at Bellagio after hearing that what sounds like gunfire, and I'm assuming you heard it. It's pretty damning when you look at this. You know, there's multiple body cam that capture this, and it's incredible. So I wanted to show you another one. This is batch 28 from Las Vegas Shooting Archive, and this is video 633. And this officer is, I'm not sure if he's on the back of a police bike or a cruiser, but he's on the back of some type of vehicle. And they're heading northbound on Las Vegas Boulevard, and I just want you to hear this radio call again, the 415A at Bellagio, and hear this officer's reaction.
Oh shit! You hear that?
That's fucking machine gun fire.
Oh yeah.
Control MGM Festival CP.
So we hear the radio call, the 415A at Bellagio, and about 3 seconds after that we hear that what sounds like gunfire. And these two officers, the one in the back says that's fucking gunfire. The driver says, oh yeah, he confirms it. These officers aren't stupid. They don't think it's coming from the radio. They think that this is gunfire. And to add to the suspicion, this isn't even during the shooting. The shooting ended around 10:15 p.m. This is 11:58 p.m. and they were still getting reports of shots fired, which is crazy. You know, who's shooting and what are they shooting at almost around midnight? That's pretty interesting. There's another video I wanted to show you, and this is batch 28 from Las Vegas Shooting Archive, and this is video 685. And these officers are standing on a bridge. This is after the shooting, of course, and they're facing Bellagio. This is Bellagio right here. And I just want you to hear their conversation and hear the similarity to what we heard in those two body cams.
No, I wouldn't trust that. We've seen it in way too many movies. We've seen it in so many movies where if they have security traps, they're going to just tell them whatever we want to hear. Yeah.
So the one officer walks up and he says, "You heard that shit, right? That burst gunfire noise that he makes." And almost identical to what we heard in those two body cams. So, you know, there's two theories as to what this is. The community has kind of narrowed it down, and this isn't new information by any means. People have looked at this before, and some people, I'm not gonna name names, but you know, they claim to have debunked this, and I think we need to look at this again. There's two theories. This could be gunfire, or this could be radio static, shortwave radio static from the radio. Which, you know, I've been looking for about 2 months now for something similar. An example of radio static that is similar to this, and I can't find that. So if somebody could do that, you know, kind of clear the air, and we can put this to bed and say, well, yes, it's coming from the radio, this isn't gunfire. But I see the body cam, and I see the way that these officers are reacting. And I see these officers point outside of the police vehicle, the cruiser, and yell Bellagio. I don't think it's coming from the radio.
What? Oh shit! Bellagio!
So, you know, use your discernment, use any examples you have, drop any links you have, and we can hopefully put this to bed and find out what this is, because this has been bothering me for a while now. It's pretty damning, so I wanted to bring this to everyone's attention again, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.